boto3 client no region error, you must specify a region error only sometimes. I have a boto3 client, but it happens on new machines, they open and close dynamically. Why is this happening? And why only part of the time?
One way or another you must tell boto3 in which region you wish the kilometers client to be created. This could be done explicitly using the region_name parameter as in. Or you can have a default region associated with your profile in your .aws/config file as in. Or you can use an environment variable as in. But you do need to tell boto3 which region to use.
In my case, sensitivity mattered.
You can also set environment variables in the script itself, rather than passing region_name parameter. awsk.environ aws_default_region equals your _region_name. Case sensitivity may matter.
For Python 2, I have found that the boto3 library does not source the region from the .aws/config if the region is defined in a different profile to default. So you have to define it in the session creation. Where my .aws/config file looks like this. I do this because I use different profiles for different logins to AWS, personal and work.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.